Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP OfficeJet Pro 6960, and now I'm gonna show you how to print on this printer using your smartphone. I'll show you how to do it with the iPhone, and I'll record the same video with the Android device, only small things maybe different, but this instruction you can use to print with Android too, but I'll show you it with iPhone. So okay, let's get started. First, of course, we need to enable the printer by clicking the power button. Here we have the power button, so click on it to enable the printer or to wake the printer up. And then here we need to open the control panel, open settings. Of course, if you are not connected with the Wi-Fi network, so you can print with the iPhone or with the smartphone only using network, using Wi-Fi network, or using the Wi-Fi direct. It's impossible to print using Wi-Fi direct when you have iPhone. It's possible, but it's very difficult, and easier will be to connect the printer to the mobile hotspot. So I don't suggest to print with Wi-Fi direct using iPhone. So I'll show you how to do it with normal Wi-Fi network. So find the network setup, wireless settings, wireless setup wizard, and you need to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this printer. To the network you want to connect, enter the password, oops, I need to enter this menu again because I have clicked on the bad place. Okay, wait a while. This is my password from my Wi-Fi network. You need to enter your own password. Then click OK. Great, and connection successful, as you can see. So cool. And now I'll show you all ways to print with your iPhone using this printer, or to print in this printer using the iPhone, I don't know. So let's start. Now, for example, I'm gonna create the note in the Apple Notes application. And for example, QWERTY print 1. So to print any document on the iPhone, you need to open this document. For example, if you're using mobile Word or I don't know, any other application, you firstly need to open this document and then click share button. In different applications you have different share buttons, so you need to click on it, then just click print. Wait a while, and the most important moment, your iPhone must to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer connected. So when your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, your printer will be visible. So I need to connect to the same, I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And I have this printer here, HP OfficeJet Pro 6960. click on it, and cool, and now we can print this document. So we can change the properties of printing, for example, printing color, double-sided, or no, paper size, letter or plain paper, orientation, portrait or landscape, scaling. We can scale our document, for example. I want to use 200%. What we can do with that, oops, I'll make picture a little dimmer, and so that's it, and then just click print button, wait a while, and printer, as you can see, printing. So great, and I have printed the QWERTY print 1 document. So this was the first way to print document using your iPhone, using your smartphone. But the second way is to use the HP Smart application. So you can download this application from the App Store. So download this app from the App Store. Then just click on the right top corner to the print button, and here you will see set up a new printer or complete finish setup with the printer that is successfully connected. So you can try first button if you want to set up new printer, or if this feature will not work with your printer, so just select the second item. I want to try with the second item because this is faster way, but sometimes it's impossible because of different reasons. So in my case, as you can see, it detecting my HP OfficeJet Pro. If your smartphone, your HP Smart application is not detecting, so you need to download, or you need to choose the first item. And cool, as you can see, I have added my printer to my application, and I can open it. HP OfficeJet Pro, as you can see, here I can set up this printer in the way I want. And cool, and now I can print any documents. For example, I gonna save this document to files, to generation of, for example. And now I wanna print the document, so I'm just clicking print document, continue, and I need to choose it from my files. So sorry, I will not show you all my files, so I can. So here is all my files, and I can choose this file here. So QWERTY print 1, as you can see, this is the same document, and just click print and preview. Here you will see how your document will look on your paper card when you will print it. That's cool. And orientation, portrait, print quality normal. You can change it to the best. Two-sided, enable, disable print quality, print copy. You can change the amount of copies, paper size, and click print. Wait a while. As you can see, it have got the job. And great, that's it. As you can see, we have printed the same document. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. I've tried to show you all ways to print using your iPhone. So if you have Android device and watching this video, so you need to know that on the Android device you have the same situation. Your Android device, if it's not too old Android, can automatically detect your printer in the same Wi-Fi network, and you can print documents. But sometimes it's very rarely happens, but sometimes you need to download HP Smart application to your Android device, detect your printer in the network. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.